Hi, Drugs. How you doing for round 2?
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Madison County in northwestern Virginia, eastern Page County in northwestern Virginia, southwestern Rappahannock County in northwestern Virginia until 6:15 p.m. At 5:25 p.m.,
Hi, Sterling, 3 times in a row.
was located over Stanley, Oregon, 19 miles northwest of Madison, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
I didn't say blizzard, I said Sterling!
Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches
bastard.
to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Luray, Stanley, Sperryville, Fairview, Kimball, Compton, Panorama, Leaxville, Pine Grove, Ida, Skyland, and Rileyville.
Mount Holly's
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
What?
The severe thunderstorm warning
I also want to mention this, but I'm joined by Camden County, WX, and my ass. What? And JD's boy. Also, enjoy your comment reports, by the way. I see a 76 in there. That's what she said.